Are you 50 years old or have a parent living with you? Then we need to have a conversation. You need a final expense policy. Let me ask you a difficult question. If you pass away tomorrow, would your family be grieving or fundraising? Would your children be focused on honoring your life or trying to figure out how they are going to pay for your funeral? The reality is that many families are financially unprepared for one of life's guaranteed events, death. And if you are 50 years old, or if you have an aging parent living with you, this conversation is one you cannot afford to ignore. Come on, sit down. Today, we are talking about final expense insurance and why it may be one of the most important financial decisions your family ever makes. Now, the reality most families don't talk about. Most families avoid conversations about death. It is uncomfortable, it's emotional, it's something we assume we'll deal with it later. But later doesn't always arrive when we expect it. I've seen families lose loved ones unexpectedly and then face another greater crisis: how to pay for the funeral, how to pay for cemetery costs, how to pay for final medical bills, how to cover transportation or shipping, how to pay for flowers, memorial services, and other sundry expenses. The emotional burden is already overwhelming. The financial burden makes it even harder. Now, what's the final expense policy? A final expense policy is a type of life insurance product designed specifically to help cover end of life expenses. Unlike large life insurance policies designed for income replacement, final expense insurance is generally intended to help loved ones handle funeral expenses, burial or cremation costs, outstanding bills, small debts, final medical expenses, immediate family needs. When the insured person passes away, the beneficiary receives a death benefit within 24, 48 hours that can be used for these expenses. Now, why do people over 50, why should they pay attention? If you are over 50 like me, here's something to consider. The older we get, the more expensive insurance policy can become. And unfortunately, health challenges often increases with age. Many people wait until I do it next year. I get around it to it later. I still have time, or I don't care. Then health challenges occur and options may become more limited. Planning while you have options with good cognitive ability is often better than waiting until choices become fewer. Don't wait until it is urgent. Plan while you have options. If you have a parent living with you, let me speak directly to those caring for you, aging parents. Maybe mom lives with you. Maybe dad depends on you. Maybe you are helping them manage their finances. Here's a question: if something happened to them tomorrow, would you have immediate access to the funds needed for funeral expenses? Many adult children discover too late that there was no plan in place. Suddenly, they are forced to use savings, borrow money, crowdfunding, GoFundMe, credit cards, ask family members for help, all while trying to process the loss of a loved ones. Now, the peace of mind factor. One of the greatest benefits of final expense insurance isn't the money, is the peace of mind. Knowing your family won't have to scramble, knowing your children won't have to start a GoFundMe, knowing your families will not bury you with a credit card. Now they can focus on celebrating your life instead of worrying about finances. Now that's a gift, and it's a gift many families never receive. A simple act of life. That's what this policy is called. Many people think life insurance is about money. No, it's not. It's about love. It's about responsibility. It's about making sure the people you care about are protected when they need it most. Final expense insurance doesn't benefit you after you are gone. It benefits the people you are leaving behind. And that's what makes it so important and special. In conclusion, if you are 50 years old or older, or you have a parent living with you, now is the time to have this conversation with me. Not because you're expecting the worst, but because you love your family enough to prepare for life's realities. The best time to plan was yesterday. The next time is right now. Before I allow you to go, if you'd like to learn more about how final expense insurance works and whether it's right for your situation, I want you to schedule a complimentary consultation with me. Send me a direct message. I also want you to leave a comment below with the word protect. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification button for more financial education and for you to be aware when I drop another video for family protection strategies. My name remains Olusegun Joseph. I am the CEO and founder of Wealth Legacy Ventures. Remember, the greatest act of love is making sure your family doesn't inherit burden, debts. Hmm? Until next time, I want you to stay informed, stay protected, build your legacy. I'll see you shortly.